Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy here with 911 Studios, and today we're talking about our favorite fragrances. Oh my goodness, you guys, I grew up wearing Daisy by Marc Jacobs, and then I found Daisy Eau So Fresh, and I love this one. It is just, in my opinion, a little bit more mature version of the original Daisy. Of course, like all of Marc Jacobs perfumes, it comes in a beautiful bottle that is gorgeous to display and really fun to receive as a gift because it's just so stunning. This scent, I believe, is just really appropriate for all age ranges. It's going to be classic and it's going to be great for any lady in your life. It lasts a really long time. It's high quality. This is going to be really fruity and floral at the same time. I love, like, the first thing you smell is going to be a lot of pear and grapefruit. I love that freshness, and it reminds me of clean. I like to clean with a lot of grapefruit scented products. So for me, when I put it on, I just kind of feel like clean and relaxed and nice. But then the undernotes kick in, and it's a lot of jasmine and rose, which are just lovely floral scents, just like a bouquet. It's amazing. I love just love this scent. It makes me happy. You know, it's just sometimes you just need something that's not necessarily serious or sexy. You just want something that makes you feel clean and fresh and bright and happy. And that's exactly what the Daisy So Fresh is. Definitely put it in your cart if you're thinking about it. I know that sometimes it is a little bit scary to order fragrances on Amazon because you're afraid you might get a fake. That's the thing. Make sure that you order with the Amazon A to Z guarantee. 30 days you can return and get your money back. It's hassle-free. With Amazon, you know that they are going to have their customers back, so take a chance and go ahead and order it because you know that if something does go wrong, Amazon's gonna have your back. If you get the authentic fragrance, for sure, I guarantee you guys are gonna totally love it because it's amazing.